Wreck It rolling here. So we got a 16 Zx6r. This bike's got 1,500 miles, so we're gonna do a quick test ride on it.
I can hear the streets coming. Yeah.
All right, so what's your name, Instagram, all that shit?
Rolling, Wreck It rolling.
Wreck and rolling. Wreck It rolling here. This guy's got one of the sexiest bikes ever. It looks like a 2013 and up. 2013?
What's up?
2013 and up?
Yeah, it's a 16.
Okay, so we got a 16 Zx6r, steel frame. It's this beautiful brass color, but it's got an exhaust. Pretty much everything's done to this bike, so we're gonna do a quick test ride on it. Brand new? Oh man, that makes me feel better. All right, we're gonna take it easy, but this thing is sick, guys. This clapper.
Right, switch it just back.
Does it go to the switch or the fan's automatic?
Yeah, yeah.
I wish I was riding this shit yesterday.
What?
I wish I was riding this shit yesterday.
Idle knob over here if you need it.
Okay. Man, it's so nice. It's got the idle switch right here. Oh, this bike's so mint. Later, Bob. Good seeing you, bro.
See you later. Hey, if you don't do this, she's a bit like don't let tanks. I'll film you.
Wow, this bike is sick. Oh, I love it. What a baddie.
Wow! What do you think?
Mwah. Yo, that's a baddie right there, bro. That's not even fair.
I actually work on him too, so you know, fair names.
Hey, come to Florida. Hey, I'll buy your ticket.
I used to live there.
All right, we're gonna fly this guy out to Florida. He's gonna work on all my bikes. We're gonna see what's
Like that 19 is gonna become a stunt bike quicker than you thought.
No, that's a lucky one. I don't know why that ride's so good. Butter, how many miles are on this?
What's up?
How many miles?
Like 1,500.
Bro, this bike's got 1,500 miles, 2016. Every best part you can think of. Like literally, this is pretty much ideal to what my bike was set up like. I love this tank too. Dick's Customs, that's where it's at. Anyways, I can't think straight. Texas boys, be out here. North Carolina, McLovin Stunts. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Like always, keep it dick. Later.
Yeah.